Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to message group admin on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Once you did that, just enter a group where you want to find an admin whom you want to send a message, and now once you are on that group, all you have to do is right here tap at group name to show up that options. There it shows you all members of that group. You can go through all of that list in order to find an admin or an owner of that group, and all you have to do about that is that owner and admins will be always at the very first positions. So right here at the very top I can see that guy. Here it says the owner, that means that that guy is actually the owner of that group. And now all I have to do in order to send a message to that guy is tap on their name and then right here hit on message to open up the conversation with that guy. Now I can hit right here at text field and send any message to that user. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful tutorials. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.